9/11, a day many will never forget. And some SUSD students from Chavez High School are proving just that.
Slide in, let's go.
Ready. Keep your chest up, arms up.
Flip it around, be ready to go.
Keep going all the way. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, here we go. Ready.
So today, all the fitness classes were running up and down the bleachers to commemorate everyone and all the lives who were lost on 9/11.
Good job, good job.
We're out here commemorating the sacrifice that many of the first responders had to do, and then just making sure that our kids remember that this actually occurred and that freedom isn't free.
For 9/11, I think it's very memorable, the day to remember.
Even though it's been 24 years, the impact, the emotion felt is still just as fresh as if it was just yesterday that the event happened. It was a big tragedy. A lot of loved ones were lost, officers, brothers, sisters, daughters and sons.
I hope that our kids today learn that resilience is there. America showed great resilience, overcoming what occurred that day and continued as a country in unity together. And so I hope the kids today learn that if they come together and are showing resiliency, regardless what life throws at them, they will overcome any obstacle that comes in their life.